Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got something super exciting in store for all of you fabulous teen queens. Get ready to unlock the ultimate glow up journey that's all about embracing your unique beauty and confidence. Let's dive in. In today's video I will be covering what is glow up. Glow up tips to transform your physical and mental appearance. And mainly covering these areas: how to maintain the perfect skincare routine, expressive makeup to enhance your features, wardrobe revamp, different outfit ideas, healthy habits, hairstyles to enhance your natural beauty. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell too. Let's get right into it. Let's move into the first section of this video. What is glow up? A glow up is a term used to describe a positive transformation or makeover that someone undergoes often during their teenage years. It's not just about physical changes but also includes improvements in confidence, self-esteem, personal style, and overall well-being. Teens who experience a glow up might undergo changes in their appearance, such as changes in fashion, hairstyles, skincare routines, and fitness habits. Additionally, they may also work on building their social skills, emotional maturity, and self-care practices. We will look into it one by one with different accepts. Number 1. Radiant skincare routine. A fresh canvas is key. Start with a gentle cleanser to wash away the day's impurities. Follow it up with a nourishing moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Establish a consistent skincare routine with cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing, and sun protection. According to your skin type, you can create your own skincare routine. K-time equals 0.2 s. Greater than. In my previous video I have explained an ultimate skincare guide. You can check the link in the description box. Number 2. Healthy habits. Remember, beauty comes from within. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, indulge in wholesome meals, and make time for some exercise to boost those endorphins. Number 3. Expressive makeup. Time to enhance your features. Start with a light, natural foundation. Add a touch of mascara to make your eyes pop, and don't forget a subtle lip tint for that effortless glow. Steps for makeup. Makeup looks for teen girls can range from natural and subtle to more bold and creative styles. Here are some makeup looks to consider. Natural everyday makeup. Fresh and dewy. Bold lip focus. Cat eye and winged liner. Subtle smoky eye. Colorful and playful. Glowy glam. No makeup makeup. Graphic liner. Glitter and sparkle. It's also important to prioritize skincare and choose makeup products that are suitable for your skin type to achieve the best results. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to a basic makeup routine for teens. Step 1. Prep your skin. Step 2. Apply base makeup. Step 3. Define your brows. Step 4. Add subtle eye definition. Step 5. Add a hint of color. Step 6. Enhance your lips. Step 7. Set your makeup. Optional step. Makeup removal. Always prioritize skincare and choose products that work well for your skin type. Number 4. Wardrobe revamp. Your style, your rules. Update your closet with pieces that reflect your personality and select a color palette that matches your skin and features. Mix and match to create outfits that make you feel confident and empowered. Here are some popular options: casual everyday, boho chic, preppy, sporty athleisure, girly and feminine, edgy street style, vintage inspired, minimalist, eclectic and artsy, casual chic. Experimenting with different styles and adapting them to your preferences can be a fun way to discover your own fashion sense. Number 5. Hair love. Your hair, your crown. Experiment with different hairstyles that resonate with your mood, from beachy waves to chic braids. There are endless possibilities. Here are some popular and versatile hairstyles that many teens might consider: long layers, bob cut, messy bun, side swept bangs, high ponytail, messy waves, fishtail braid, top knot, short pixie cut, half up half down. Don't hesitate to experiment and have fun with your hair. It's a great way to express your individuality and personality. Number 6. Positive vibes. Confidence shines brighter than any highlighter. Surround yourself with positivity, practice self-love, and remember that you're a work of art in progress. Number 7. Embrace your passions. What makes your heart race? Dive into your hobbies and interests, whether it's painting, dancing, or playing an instrument. Unleash your creativity. Number 8. Smile and own it. Flash that radiant smile and strut your stuff with confidence. Remember, your uniqueness is your power, so rock it. And there you have it, the ultimate glow-up journey for our amazing teen beauties. 4s. Greater than. Embrace your authentic self, pamper your body and soul, and watch as you blossom into the incredible person you're meant to be. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.